Find the appropriate sum by rounding a number to the nearest 100. We have to find the sum by rounding a number to the nearest 100. If tens digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, then replace ones and tens digit by 0. Therefore, as it comes under the first category, we have to replace ones and tens digit by 0. 300 plus tens digit is 7. As it comes under the second category, we have to increase hundreds digit by 1 and remaining digits as 0. 500. If we add this 500 and 300, we will get 800 as the answer. This is the answer for the first question. Let us go for the next question. Here you check the tens digit is 5. Increase hundreds digit by 1 and keep the tens and hundreds tens digit and units digit as 0. 700. In 247, tens digit is 4, it is less than 5. Therefore, keep hundreds digit as it is and remaining as zeros. 700 plus 200 is 900. The answer is 900. Let us move for the next question. Here the tens digit is 3 as it is less than 5. Keep the hundreds digit as it is 2500. It becomes, here 7 is the tens digit, that is greater than 5. Increase the hundreds digit by 1, 6300. If we add these two numbers, we will get 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 5, 8, 6 plus 2, 8. 8800 is the answer for this question. Thank you. Find the appropriate product by rounding a number to the nearest 100. Check the tens digit here, 6 here. As the 6 is greater than 5, we have to increase hundreds digit by 1 and replace ones and tens digit by 0. Here, check the tens digit. As it is less than 5, replace ones and tens digit by zeros and keep the hundreds digit as it is. Therefore, 300. As 4 zeros are here, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. The 4 zeros we have to write. Now 3 3s are 9. That is 90,000 is the answer for this question. You compare here. Check the tens digit 5. As it is equal to 5, increase hundreds digit by 1, that is 5, and remaining as zeros. Multiplied by, check tens digit 7. It is greater than 5. Increase hundreds digit by 1, 900. Therefore 4 zeros are here. 9 5s are 45. 5 9s are 45. That is 4,50,000 is the answer. Check the tens digit 8. It is greater than 5. Therefore, increase hundreds digit by 1. That is 400. Check tens place here 1. It is less than 1. Therefore, keep as it is 3 and remaining as 0. 300. As 4 zeros are here, write 4 zeros. Multiply 4 with 3. You will get 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12, that is 1,20,000 is the answer for this question. This is how we have to find the approximate product by rounding a number to the nearest 100. Thank you for watching this.